So this video is about 7 must experience features in SMB CCTV. The first feature is we give a name AI heat map. So how we experience AI heat map features. Please come to the right and go to product. From here, you will see products and BOM. Please just select BOM and come to AI heat map. Give it a tag, this time office, and give it a name, maybe ABC. Click OK. So now you come to this page. You could upload your own floor plan, or you could just use a sample floor plan. And this time, if we do not have, we just use a sample plan. Give a floor name 1. Click OK. So now we can just give it a measured method. We can use by area or by length. And this time we use by area. We know, for example, we know the area is 300 square meters. I just put it here, 300. And floor height. And we already have the site survey. It's 5 meters. That's done. And wall recognition has already enabled by default. We click OK. The AI will detect and draw the wall itself. That is the wall. And if you want to change any walls, for example, you want to change the wall type, or you go on site and you find there is a wall in the middle, you can just click add wall. And then you can draw a wall here. For example, you can just click and then draw a wall in the middle. You click done. Then you already draw a wall. And next, we can place our AP products. We have 2 ways. One is we place AP ourselves. So if you are an experienced installer and you know everything about our AP, you can just do yourself. And the other way is we use AI to place AP. We click AI placement, and there are 2 things. One is Pro, one is Standard. Please select Pro and click Start Professional Placement. It will detect the floor plan again. After that, the AI will separate the whole area into different small areas. You could just select any areas, and I add client load. For example, I give it name, maybe this area is A, and there are 200 concurrent users in this area. I select 200, click save. It's done. You could just select each of the area and you click next. And then is the AP free area. You could select any area to be AP free. You do not want to install AP in that area or in that room. That is where how you just do that. And you click next. And that's done. You can just click start AP placement. And our AI will give you a recommendation how many APs we need and where you could just install our APs. It's done. And if you want to use that, you think it's okay, you just use that, please click apply BOM and confirm. We just finished one AI heat map. Okay, so that is the whole process we use our AI heat map, and this is all the process. If you want, you could just check from our PPT. And the next feature is SON. I will go to the steps here. Come to the project. If we want to show our customer what is SON, please come to demo. And then we select the third one, CCTV. And then please click start SON, not skip SON. Next, it will ask you to have all the devices powered on and connect to all the devices properly. And what you need to do next is click start. After that, you will connect to Wi-Fi. If it is real device, you need to go to the Wi-Fi list and find out the SSID, rigid-M or rigid-S. And you select that one and you click connect. Give it a password. This is a management password. You click OK. It's done. That's all the 12 virtual devices you already got. Next, you can just start config. You give a SSID name. For example, this time we give a name stuff. And the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 88. And the project name, I name it ABC. Return and save. What we need to do is just 9 steps. Just next, and enter some informations. It's done. And now we just set up a 12 devices, networking devices. This is a network project. That is called SOM. Before we just do everything, they already talk to each other first, and they're very easy to do the configurations. That is the second feature. And the third feature I want to show you is called loop prevention. How we just enable that function. We just come to the switch. We click switch, and we scroll down. Maybe we just select the last one. And please come to the config. You will see loop prevention. When you enable that, if there is any loop in your network, the system will send you a notification and will not drop down all your devices. Yep, that is loop prevention. That one is the third feature we have. The next one is called cable test. Here is cable test. When you click cable test, click test, the system will test all the cable from this switch. If there is any cable got some issues cut off, it will give you the information like not working or cut off, the information like that. You just need to wait 30 seconds, you will get the result. Yep, that is the test result. You just go back. That one is the third. This one is long distance. This one is the cable test. The next one feature is called long distance transmission. We come to here. Long distance transmission. If you want to have this long distance transmission for port 5 and port 6, you just need to click these two ports. Click save. And these two ports on this switch has already been configured as a long distance transmission. And the bandwidth will drop to 10 Mbps, but you could run the cable more than 250 long distance transmission. And the next one I want to show you is called remotely reboot. So for example, if it's far away, you want to reboot the certain port. For example, I want to reboot the port 3. What you need to do is you just go down and select port 3. From here, you will see restart. Click restart, click OK. This port has already been rebooted. That is another feature, remotely reboot. The last one feature, NET traversal. I'll go to this page. Yep, how you use that feature. Please just come to this project. So all the project you have will be in this list. You select the one you have already created. Scroll up and come to advanced. And scroll up. You will see NAT traversal here. Select this feature and you already got one. So this is a example demo. And if you want to show customer what it looks like, you could just enable this feature and click open. So it will directly go to the web page of this NVR. So please show our customer what it looks like, and the customer will know what is that. So this is a web portal of our NVR, admin and password. They could just log in NVR see all the pictures, see all the functions, and they could do all the features like tripwire and all the event. And if how you could just add your own NAT traversal, very easy. Please just come to the add service, give it a name. For example, this one is maybe just a name camera 1. And you do not need to change the service type. Even you change to HTTPS, it will change the port number itself. No need to change that. And what you need to do is you need to type in the private IP address. I just give an example. .1.100. Okay, done. What you need to do is type in the name and the IP address. Next, click OK. And now you have another one. So this is also NAT traversal. You can remotely log in this camera web page, and you know the password. You can just do the configurations of this camera. You could reboot this camera. You could just do the configuration and do the event and tripwire, all the things. So this is the last feature we designed for the CCTV scenario. So these are all 7 features you would like to experience. So that's all for today.